And we are live. Welcome, guys, to another edition of Crypto Condition. Um, my name is Victor, and I'm going to be taking you guys live on what's happening in the crypto market. And well, we all know that it's been a very bloody time for us, the investors, especially if you've been an investor for almost a year now. You should know that it's been a very terrible market since December. That being said, December we saw most coins touch their all-time highs. And with Bitcoin going all the way up as high as $19,000 in December, and fast forward 8 months later, we're in August, and Bitcoin is down $6,400. You know, so that being said, we have not been having a very pretty time for the long-term investors, for those who believe that Bitcoin was going to touch as much as 30,000, 100,000, 500,000, and so forth, so on and so forth. Yeah. Well, before we continue with this video, I just want to make a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I will never be your financial advisor. Whatever I share here is just my own opinion, and what I believe has been the case since watching the market condition, learning, and observing. So all I'm going to say here is based on my own observation and shouldn't be taken seriously or taken as a financial advice. Well, let's move on. So what is the situation of the market? What is going on? What is going on? Blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, what's going on? You guys are really, 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 really disappointing a lot of people. Yeah. So what's going on? Why this sudden fall? Well, first of all, the we saw a decline in the past 24 hours. Yesterday, most coins dropped as far as 17%. 25%. Ethereum went as low as 10%, minus 10%. Bitcoin minus 5. Ethereum Classic as high as minus 20% within 24 hours. So what happened? Why we were not expecting Bitcoin to keep going up when it was 7,000. Why is it going down now? Well, first the first reason might be that the SEC, you know, they have rejected the SIBO ETF, appeal. We were supposed to get a positive response from the SEC, but they turned down the offer. They rejected the ETF, and obviously that was bad news for the entire community, and people started taking out their money, and that could be the possible reason why all these coins went down, saw this steep decline of almost $20 billion. The market went from $250 billion to $230 billion in less than 24 hours after the rejection of the ETF by the SEC. So that being said, what is the way forward? Are we going to continue seeing a decline? What is happening? What is happening? There is no positive news. There is no volume. There is no money coming in. There's no new money. People are liquidating their crypto, saving it, turning it back into cash. Because nobody knows what's happening anymore. But first of all, what I want us to understand about crypto is you have to be patient to be in this kind of market. It's not a market you get into today and you're dreaming of buying Lambos, building houses in the moon. No, there's no free money in this space. Funny enough, there's no free money. You have to do your due diligence. You have to work hard, and you have to know what you're doing. You have to know when you're buying and when you're selling. Like I said, if you're not selling crypto, if you've not been selling crypto since December of 2017 till now, you probably would have lost a lot if you held, you know. But if you've been shorting, then believe me, you would have been making some good money. especially with yesterday's drop, you would have made some money. I personally made money yesterday, but that's something we're going to be discussing about in our more more later updates. Yeah. So, what are we heading? Well, it's actually a good thing when you see these coins drop. Yes. Yeah, because it's just like a roller coaster stuff. It goes down, it goes up, then down, then up, then down. Yeah, there has to be that wave-like movement for it to be a healthy, for it not to be a bubble. A bubble just keeps going up, 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 up till it busts, and then we have the crash, and then everything that's mayhem. But they have to be this wave like, yeah, all market conditions go like that. Stock markets, commodity market, ID index market, all markets traditionally this upwards and downward movement till, yeah, till we get to where we're going. So that being said, what is the future for blockchain? Where are we heading? What's happening with Bitcoin? What's happening with the blockchain technology? So I'm gonna tell you guys what's happening. What's happening is the bulls are coming. Yes, guys, the bulls, they are coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming pretty soon, and it's gonna be one hell of a bull run. Yeah, I don't know exactly when this is gonna happen, but I believe the time is very close. Let's say probably by 2019, 2020, and that's not far compared to compared to compared to relation to what we should be expecting is not far, because most of the profits we make in crypto, if you were to make it in stock market, let's take one of the Fortune 500 stocks for instance. If you had bought it in 1940 at $150, you would have to wait almost 75 years for it to be where it is today at $2,800. So it's going to take one good stock, one good market in stock, almost 75 years to do what crypto can do in 1 2 years. So it's not far compared to what's going on in the crypto market. So so this being said, where are we heading? Personally, I don't think investing in Bitcoin is a good investment choice right now, except you're shorting it. you know. But if you're looking for the long term where you put your money and then you watch it grow, yeah, then I have some good coins for you. But remember, this is not financial advice. So my first coin would be Neo. The Neo coin, Neo is one of the top 10 coins. Yeah, it's also called the Chinese Ethereum. Yeah, and personally, I like Neo because it's one of the blockchain techs. It has its own blockchain. It has a very great team, and then you also get free gas. If you have a Neo, you get free gas, and when you have as much gas, you can always liquidate gas for cash. So when you have Neo stored in your Neo wallet, you get gas. It's practically said costs zero fee to send Neo from me to anybody, you know, and it's pretty undervalued right now. Neo is very undervalued, it's very cheap. Oh god, it's so cheap that I could sell my house to buy Neo. For real, if I had a house to sell, I would sell it. Maybe I'll sell my girlfriend to have Neo. How about that? Would you sell your girlfriend to have Neo? I would. But anyway, moving on. Why do I like Neo? Why do I believe it's going to be a good investment opportunity? I'm so sorry that I do not have any graphics or any charts to show you what I'm talking about, but you can always check up, you can always find out about these coins on coinmarketcap.com. There will be an inscription below this video. When I'm done, you can check and then you can find for yourself and see for yourself what I'm talking about Neo. So I'd like you to check on Neo Coin, Neo Smart Contract. This is one of the best investment opportunity to get into. Till I come your way again next time, I'm going to tell you guys why I believe Neo is going to moon, why I believe we're going to make money, in the coming years with crypto. So you guys stay cryptic, yo, and nice having you guys, and nice thanks for watching. So I believe we are going to meet again pretty soon and continue this discussion about cryptos. Thanks for staying in touch, man. Have a nice day, blood.